IFB 30 BRC to microwave. You can see the keypad is not working, so keypad replacement has been done. It's time of the product delivery only. The power button was slightly some issue has been noticed, but after usage for 1 year, then the button strip need to be changed. So after 1 year usage and also after the warranty is over, the keypad strip was been not working. So here we need to replace it. So requested the service and replaced the microwave's keypad, that is touchpad, whatever, control panel keypad. So the strip is replaced full, new one is been installed to it by removing the old one. Okay, mostly occurred damage for every product, everyone. The keypad only, everything it's okay. Thanks for watching till the end. Like, share, subscribe the bug fixers.